But Justice Clarence Thomas writing a 91-page dissent on why he thinks the court got it wrong. I am not sure that today's opinion will stand the test of time. The citizenship clause added greatly to the dignity and glory of American citizenship. Today's opinion devalues that citizenship. I respectfully dissent. Some on the left say that's not really what this is about.
There are folks who are doubling down on the idea that this country must be a white republic. Through a narrow decision, the Constitution stands, but we need to still be mindful of the motivation that is driving all of this in the first place, it seems to me. And Kavanaugh is at the heart of it, just to answer that part of it.
There is motivation at the heart of this issue, but the motivation is revealed in the numbers. In 2023, 320,000 babies, that's 9% of all U.S. births, were born to mothers who were here illegally or on temporary visas. And that number grew during the Biden administration. The U.S. remains one of the few countries in the world that grants unrestricted birthright citizenship. Justice Alito, as you see on your screen, the number of countries that do not have unrestricted birthright citizenship, that scroll could take minutes, as it's virtually every other country in the world. Justice Alito wrote about the national security implications in his dissent. He wrote, suppose that a person's only connection to this country is that he was born here to a mother who was present just long enough to give birth and then quickly returned to a native country. Suppose that country is a strategic adversary or enemy of the United States. Suppose the child never visited the United States while growing up and was inculcated with hatred of this country. According to this court now, that person is a citizen of the United States.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. As I've been saying, America is long, long gone. Supreme Court ain't gonna save you. No political party's gonna save you. You're not gonna vote your way out of this mess. The government, everything that's supposed to represent the American people has been corrupted and destroyed, corroded over time, bought and paid for over time. There's no just acting nicely, no protest. There's no please, please, please to God. Supreme Court today ruled that anybody just have pop a baby out there, automatic American citizen. You saw that video. We're the only dumbass country to do that. Even third world countries don't do that. Well, I mean, people are bought and paid. People don't care. People are intimidated, and people are going to follow the line, will do as told to stay in power. This is what you get. Like I said in my last video, we're socialists coming. Socialists, we're a socialist country about to turn full communist. And Donald Trump, Republicans that go out, the do nothing, GOP, gonna talk, oh, that's not right. Oh, Congress ain't gonna do shit. The Democrats, 91% of them love it. They want more legal, the more the merrier. So this country's done. As I've been saying, good men not willing to get their hands dirty and do bad things, it's over. The Supreme Court will save you, nobody's gonna save you. No court system, no political system is going to save you. And these people, Daddy Bands, and like I said, this is Ron DeSantis, Florida. They can say what they want to. They're not going to be cheating
decisions. Additionally, this legislation prohibits pre-planned adoption agreements and surrogacy contracts involving citizens or residents of foreign countries of concern. China ships people here for birth. They do it's really a seedy thing, and I'm glad that we were able to do that. I know we're hoping that the Supreme Court is going to interpret the 14th Amendment so that we can put a stop to some of the people that are coming here for a month, having birth, and then going back to China. That's part of an operation. Why would we let that happen?
Money. When you're bought and paid for money. The communist state of California alone love their China overlords. They'll let everybody come in. New York is now socialist light, about to go full communist. When you're bought and paid, the GOP We're gonna do this. They write strongly worded letters, but when the time to take a shit and shit to get done, do nothing, because they're both paid for by the same entity, NGOs that the Doge were trying to shut down and getting taxpayer money to stop the flood of illegals and all this shit. It's still out there, still getting paid for this immigrants and illegals and shit. Because human trafficking is always gonna be money. Oh, did I say that out loud? Yes. We think Jeffrey Epstein was. He was just one of many, many, many pawns that run islands and traffic women and children and shit. You think Jeffrey Epstein was only it? We can't even get our investigation on just what the tip of the iceberg we know about the Jeffrey Epstein ring. It's millions more worldwide. Slavery, human trafficking is going on as we speak in our own country. Nobody's going to stop this unless we, the people, rise up. And when you think they're pushing for all these data centers, when you think they're pushing all these front cameras everywhere, when you think they're pushing the surveillance state so quickly, so we, the people, don't even get a chance to mobilize and organize. What do you think? Yes, America is very under disgrace. This is why the flag upside down means America is under great, great disgrace. America's dark. And for the black people that push, oh yeah, we don't want to. They want to get rid of the cleanse. They don't want America to be a white country anymore. That's stupid shit. That's the stupidest shit I've ever heard. Actually, the white people benefit your damn sorry ass. Because when these illegals really take over, the Indians take over, the Asian, Chinese, anybody else, Somalis come on, they're not here for you. You said they're gonna champion, we gonna come together, they're gonna come together and pull your ass, save your ass. They're gonna be more racist and more hateful towards you than any white person ever would have been. So all the black people champion this, oh yeah, we're gonna cleanse America, get rid of the white man, whitey. White man is the best thing for most of you niggas. I'm gonna say it out and say it loud. And once the white population is already dying off, you see the Indians taking over, you see the Chinese, the Asians taking over, see the Muslim people taking over, they're not gonna put up a zero of your shit. They're gonna really starve you, really gonna be hateful and racist, and they're gonna put you on your place. White man, the best thing for most of you niggas. You talk shit and don't appreciate that. You think it's hard now? Oh boy. You think the white man was holding you back? These Indians, these damn immigrants are really Mexican really gonna have y'all asses out here, hang y'all out high and dry. They already place our asses, have zero power. Black people have zero power on right. And you're pushing for this? The immigrants already came in, take over the black community, they're taking over the neighborhoods. And y'all champion for more of this shit or get rid of white man? You's a stupid ass nigga if you pushing for that. Any pro-black pushing for that, they're setting y'all up for the drive-by. Because them pro-blacks that talking that shit, they got their check. And the ones that, oh yeah, why they ain't got shit in the hood, ain't get shit? Ooh, boy, you think it's hard and bad now. You better pray, white man, to keep the devil you know better than the devil you don't. And these immigrants ain't coming to play with your ass. They ain't gonna save your ass. They ain't gonna come to champion save the day community.
From Justice Alito, who brought this up during the arguments. This is his separate dissent. He said the court's interpretation also has national security implications. Suppose that a person's only connection to this country is that he was born here to a mother who was present just long enough to give birth and then quickly return to her native country. Suppose that country is a strategic adversary or...
People don't get how national security, but nobody cares. These people are painful. There's very few. Clarence Thomas, he's the only one with pushing hard for this. But like I said, Americans on me as a Navy veteran love my country. is done. And this is Clarence Thomas in
Take
April saying.
responsible for it. We are slowly letting others control how we think and what we think.
Yep.
I think the beauty of going to school
We don't pride in
is that you
America.
learn how to think for yourself. You develop the discipline to think things through. If you think it's losing confidence, then you get up and you participate. You don't sit on the sidelines. You think that the state is being run and inconsistent with how you feel, then you get up and you participate.
Yep.
You prepare yourself. If you think that the medical profession is not right, well, you become a doctor or be a medical person, and you
Yep.
deal with that.
Yep. People don't get their hand dirty. People scared to death to make changes, to really do what's necessary. You say I love America, I can't tell. Because people, you going to work, get ready, doing nothing. We have to dig outside, do something so outside the box to even make any difference out here. You going to work, we argue online and shit like that. Ain't even just argue online. I'm out here trying to push to even have any type of discussion for this. And they're still fucking shadow ban this, still censor this shit. And they don't want to have people have opinion about America or what the positive of keeping the country. They want people to be progressive and we need to change. We need communists. We need socialists. Oh yeah, this and this and this. I'm in the day, man. Like I said, no political party is going to save us. Save you, me. I don't care if you're rooting for it or not. You could be rooting for America, conservative, wanting to save America. You could be rooting against the destruction of America, socialist, communist party, whatever the case. End of the day, whatever you root for or think is going to make a difference, end of the day, it's going to stab you in the back and fuck us all over. It's not going to be what you want to be, what you think it's going to be. And we, the people, do not unite. Give over our whatever fucking hatred or whatever division that made us through. We don't come together as people, American people and citizens, it is over. And nobody's come to save me, you, or nothing else. You can follow the rules and toe the line. And when they come kicking your door, kicking all our doors, they can tell us, oh, they don't care. You follow the rules. You did everything you was told to be a good little Jew, little boy, face the wall. I mean, at the end of the day, it's been fun, America. We crawled to 250 years. I guess that's the best of the nation. Posted gonna make it. I guess 250. We is actually died off in the 60s, but and we had a slow death, basically. I got a slow death the last 50 years, if you want to call it. But hey, let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about this Supreme Court ruling against damn birthright citizenship. It's a pit of fork in us. We're done. I'm out, guys.